Here you can see an overview of all needed tools. Before starting the demounting process, please place the drive on a suitable workplace. Use a round sling to turn the drive. The motor has to face upwards to avoid oil leakages. Make sure the round sling fits tightly around the drive. Remove the round sling. Mount eye bolts on both sides of the motor. Please make sure that the screw threads are totally screwed. To prevent the motor from tilting, a crane is used. Use a spanner to demount all screws that connect the motor to the gearbox. Lift the motor carefully. Take care of the gears. They may not be damaged. Here you can see a sound seal. Begin with cleaning the sealing surface with a towel. Remove further residues with a shaver. The sealing surface may not be damaged, and complete the cleaning process with using a surface cleaner. The sealing surface of the motor has to be cleaned with a towel first and afterwards with a surface cleaner. Insert 2 bolts into the threaded holes of the gearbox. Apply a suitable seal to the sealing surface. Pay attention on the correct setting. Let the motor down slowly. Tilt the motor into an inclined position just before both of the sealing surfaces touch each other. Consequently, the gears will not be damaged by themselves. Combine the screws and the spring rings. Hand tighten all screws that connect the motor and the gearbox. Look up the necessary tightening torque in the manual and adjust the torque wrench. Tighten all screws crosswise with the torque wrench.